What happens when the pursuit of justice is obstructed? And what are the consequences of hindering an investigation? These are complex questions that we must grapple with, as they directly impact the integrity of our legal system. Let's delve into the law regarding hindering an investigation. In its simplest form, this law deals with actions or inactions that obstruct, prevent, pervert, or defeat the course of justice in an investigation. This can involve anything from lying to investigators, destroying evidence, or helping a suspect to evade capture. Now, this may sound relatively straightforward, but the legal nuances can get a bit tricky. The law requires proof that the individual intentionally hindered an investigation of a serious indictable offense. This means if someone unintentionally interferes with an investigation, they may not necessarily be held accountable under this law. It's also crucial to understand that hindering an investigation carries a severe maximum penalty. In New South Wales, for instance, this offense can lead to up to 7 years in prison. This underscores the seriousness of this offense and the stringent measures in place to ensure justice is served. Additionally, there are legal defenses that can be raised against charges of hindering an investigation. These include self-defense, duress, and necessity. Essentially, if evidence is raised that you were forced into committing the offense, or were doing it to defend yourself or another, or it came about due to an emergency situation, then the prosecution must disprove beyond reasonable doubt that this is not the case. If the prosecution is unable to do this, then you are entitled to be found not guilty. To recap, the law on hindering an investigation revolves around 3 key points: the act of intentionally impeding the investigation of a serious offense, the severe penalties associated with this crime, and the potential defenses that can be raised. Understanding these key points provides a clearer picture of the consequences of obstructing justice and the importance of maintaining the integrity of our legal system. In the end, the law serves to protect the pursuit of truth and justice. Hindering an investigation not only disrupts this pursuit, but it also carries severe consequences. So remember, the course of justice must not be obstructed, for it is the cornerstone upon which our society is built.